Hey there, champ. How was your day? Hi, Grandpa. It was good. We learned about dinosaurs in school today. Dinosaurs? That sounds exciting. What's your favorite one? T-Rex. It's huge and has those sharp teeth. Ah, the mighty T-Rex. Impressive choice. You know, when I was your age, I loved dinosaurs too. Really, Grandpa? Did you have a favorite? Oh, indeed. I was a big fan of the Triceratops. 3 horns and that frill, fascinating creatures. That's cool. What did you like to do for fun when you were my age? Well, we didn't have fancy gadgets back then. We played outside, climbed trees, and had adventures in our imaginations. Sounds fun. Did you have a favorite game? Hide and seek was a classic. Your grandma and I used to play it for hours. Did you always win? Not always. Your grandma was quite the hider. Grandpa, what's the best piece of advice you've ever received? Ah, good question. I'd say it's to be kind to others. Treat everyone with respect, no matter who they are. I'll remember that, Grandpa. Thanks! Anytime, kiddo. Now, how about we grab some cookies and milk,